Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss about an amazing tool provided by the Microsoft, that is Microsoft Whiteboard, and it's a great tool for teachers, students and for anyone who are working with collaboration with other members or their teammates. So we will be discussing about the downloading and every other option available with the Microsoft in easy way. Let's start with the downloading process. So you have two options to download this tool. First of all, you may write download Microsoft Whiteboard for Windows 11 or Windows 10. So you will get the first link for the downloading. So you can simply download it for Windows or iOS, and the installation will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes. I am not going to download it because I have already installed it. And the next option available with you is you can simply search for the Microsoft Store in your system, and from the Microsoft Store, it's safe place where you can download all the Microsoft available tools. So here you can write Whiteboard and you will get the options. From here you can simply download and install the Whiteboard in your system. So here I have already downloaded it, so I am getting the option to open it. So you will be getting the download option, and you can download and run the setup. In just 2 minutes you will get the Whiteboard in your system. But the prerequisite for this is you must have login with your Microsoft account in your system. Means your Microsoft account must be active in your system. Okay, so let's start. After installation, you can simply search for the Microsoft. You will get the after installation you will get it installed, and the interface will be like this. Okay, where you are getting a lots of pen, and you can be able to choose any pen. Suppose I have chosen this pen, and you can simply perform the writing. This is the canvas. Okay, so this canvas is very large in size, so you can simply zoom in or zoom out it. Okay, up depending on your requirements. And next you can choose any pen. Suppose I am choosing this pink. You can also be able to change the color of the pen. Suppose I want to change this color from pink to blue, and you can also select the thickness of the pen. Okay, so suppose I want to choose this as the thickness. So this is my new pen. Right, so here you also have the option of highlighter over here. From this option you can highlight any content of your canvas, and you can also be able to change the color of your highlighter. So this time I am using yellow highlighter. Right, next you have the option of eraser. So with eraser, if you start erasing, you will get the smaller size. You can see the eraser size is gradually increasing. Okay, to cover the larger area. So I am simply doing Control Z because I need some content for the further options. Next we have the option of a scale, where you can simply draw a line at any place, any location, straight line. Okay, so it's so easy to draw the line with this scale. You can move it to any angle. Next we have this lasso. So this lasso effect is for selection. So suppose I want to select this, so it will create the selected portion as an object, and you can move it anywhere. You can also perform the copy and paste. Suppose I copied it, and at other place you can simply paste the object. Okay, you can also change the color. Suppose I change it to red. So you can also change the color. You can perform any resizing operations, copy, paste, delete. Everything is possible. Now If this section is full, so you can move simply from left to right or top to bottom in your canvas. Okay, see, you can simply move from left to right, top to bottom in your canvas. So it's perfect for one lecture covering every topic. You can simply keep moving from left to right or top to bottom in your lecture. So next we have the option of this A. This A means add text. So you can simply add the text. Okay, so after adding, you can also be able to edit the text. It's not fixed, so you can be able to move the text, edit the text. Okay, everything is possible. Now you can also, if you are using this canvas in sharing mode, so anyone can like your text, anyone can edit your text, and also can be able to change the color. Suppose I change its color to purple, okay, or you can change its color to red. So after writing, you can also perform various operations on a text or any added object, means like this, right? And next we have the option to add a note. Suppose I want to add some note, so you can perform the listing of your task with these notes. Okay, and later you can simply tick your task once you are done, means anything you want to keep handy can be added as a note, or you can also add the images to it. Suppose I want to add the image from my system. I want to add this logo. Okay, so this logo is added. Now I want to add it to the top. Okay, you can also be able to like it and perform other operations, but the next operation that I'm going to use with my logo is this lock to the background. By this option, this will be fixed in the background, means this is like the part of this background, this become the background. Okay, so now you cannot move this image. Okay, let's add one more image. So I'm adding this shapes image, so you can resize it. Okay, this, everything is possible. Now this first option is, you can see the tooltip here. So this first option is ink grab. By clicking on this, it will grab all the ink and just left with the outlines of these shapes. Okay, so you can create the means you can perform the selection of the objects in your image with this option. Now if I want to select something, like I want to select this circle, simply select this lasso and you can select an object out of this grabbed ink image. Okay, and you can also be able to change its color. You can copy it, paste it, so you can use these extracted shapes in any form. Now the next option available with us is, after image we have the insert option, where you can insert first option we have the paste. You can use Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V for copy paste options, and next we have the note grid. So now with note grid you will be able to add the grid of notes. Okay, so you can simply add multiple notes in your Canva. Okay, like this. So you can be able to delete a single note as well, but it provides you with the option to add multiple nodes in your canvas. Now next option we have here, you can create the listing. So by listing you can list your task. Suppose I am providing some title here. After this I can add the text to my list, like list item 1, list item 1. Okay, simply press enter for the For next item, okay, if you are sharing this canvas on the using this with your teammates, they may like your listing or they may perform any other operation with your list. Okay, so that thing is possible. Now next option we have, you can also add the PDF, Word document, a PowerPoint presentation to your canvas. Okay, like I want to add a PDF from the desktop. The sample PDF is available, so it will list here all the pages. Suppose this PDF is having only one page, so if there are more than one pages in your PDF, you can view all the pages over here, and you can insert all pages or you can insert the selected page. Okay, so for that you need to select the option insert selected or insert all pages. Suppose I am selecting the selected page only. I have inserted the selected page only. And you can also perform, means if you are working in a group, you can discuss a PDF file or a Word document or a PowerPoint presentation with your teammates. Like this is a sample document, so you can use this file for the discussion. Like you are discussing something with students, so you can add the PowerPoint slide or an image or the Word document to your canvas. And after this, now how to share this canvas? So if you see, we have created so many things in this canvas. So if you want to share this canvas, so the option is, if you have firstly you must be logged in, okay, because this tool needs internet connection, proper internet connection. Next you need to click on this plus option. After this you will get the web sharing link on. You need to turn it on, and you can copy the link and share with your teammates. Only then they will be able to view this canvas, and you can work with your teammates in one platform. Okay, so at one platform you will be able to discuss the things, discuss notes, discuss your listing, discuss your task, everything. Now next option, let's see the menu, what we have with the menu. First of all, we have the active pen. After turning it off, you will get all the pen disappear, if you can see. Now next option is ink to shape. So what is this ink to shape? So after as this option is on, let's move to the clear side. So if this option is on, what we can do, we can be able to convert ink to shape. Suppose I am drawing a square, so it will be converted to proper square. Suppose I am drawing a circle, okay, it would be converted to proper circle. Suppose I am drawing a rhombus or any other shape, okay, so it will be converted to the perfect shape with this option. If you turn this option off, all these shapes will be as it is, as you are drawing it, or means it will not be converted to proper square, rectangle or any matching shape. Now next option is ink to table. Now you can create the table by this option, means you can simply draw the table with your pen. If you turn it off, that will not, the drawn shape will not be converted to the table, but yes, we are turning it on. Now let's draw a line to this square, and now this is converted to the table. Okay, so heading, so this is your table. So you can simply plus columns and rows to your table with this ink. Simply we have drawn this and then this. So this is converted to the table. Okay, this is converted to the table. It is taking it as a content. So after converting it to table, you can add the columns by this plus option, okay, and rows by another plus option. Now after this, we have the option of object snapping. So object snapping is very important feature, where you will get the lines, means to direct you the location of the object. Like here I have selected this object Now if I am moving this object, you can see the blue lines. Okay, so let's take in the objects drawn here, this circle and this shape, or let me select this object. So I have selected this object. You can see the blue lines over here. This is because of object snapping. It will be providing you with the guidance, like I need to move this object to the center of the exact center of the circle, then it is providing you the guidance, means where is the center, means exact center of the circle. Okay, so you can move it to any position with this object snapping feature. You are getting these guidelines. Okay, if you turn it off, if we turn this object snapping off, you will not get those blue lines. Okay, you can simply move your object blindly, but those lines helps you, means object snapping lines help you to properly position or properly locate your object. Okay, now this is at the exact center point of the circle. And next important option is we have export. By export, you can save your canvas as image, okay, or high quality image. So you can save it as PNG or SVG image for further reference, and then you can clear the canvas. After saving, you can clear the canvas from here and you will get a new blank canvas. So you can use this option if you want to clear the content of canvas, but before that, if you require those content, you can select export and you can save that canvas as an image, right? So next option we have format background. So with format background, you have two options. Here you can select the color, and next option is you can select the grid background. Suppose I have selected no grid background and I have selected the solid. Under this you can change the background of your canvas. Okay, you see the background color is changing. Suppose I have chosen this color or this color. Okay, so now the background color has changed, but if you want some grid lines in your canvas, then you can use these grid options, graph. Okay, that would help you in drawing something or to align something, align object in your canvas. So I am going to use these bigger squares. Okay, these squares will help you to write something or to write something in straight form. Okay, like here. Okay, so you can also be able to, after completing this, as I have completed my canvas, you can save it as image, export to image. Here my canva, and it is saved as an image. So let's see the image. This is the image. Okay, it has covered all the objects of your canvas. See, whatever we have added, you can see everything over here. So the complete canvas is saved, means if you are teaching something in a lecture, so your complete lecture notes are here in an image. Okay, after that you can simply clear the canvas and you will get a blank page or blank canvas for the next lecture. So that's it for this tutorial. Hope you learned something. In next videos we will be getting some more tools of, we will be discussing more options of other Microsoft tools. Till then, bye and take care.